Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to Bitcoin in a Minute Day 142. As usual, if you like this series, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see and as per my last picture analysis, we know that the bulls would take over if we break above the 25. In this case, as mentioned, we'll be expecting a movement to the 30k resistance zone, which is also a supply zone as we had an aggressive movement down from course, for the bulls to take over from a macro perspective and then expect the next bull run to start, we need to see a break above the 32k. Once we have this aggressive break, in this case, we'll be expecting a shift in momentum from bearish to bullish. For now, we are simply inside a correction phase, and as you remember from my previous weekly time frame analysis, we're expecting this scenario number 4, which you are currently at. Now, if you zoom into lower time frames, for example, to H1, how do we know that the correction is about to start? In this case, we need to see a break below this low. In this case, expect a movement till the 25k, which is our next support was a resistance previously. So if you zoom back to daily time frame, you can clearly see it. It's also a demand zone as we had an aggressive movement outward from. So if you want from this type of analysis, long story short, we are overall bullish and approaching a resistance zone and supply. For the bears to start the correction, we need to see a break below this H1 low. In this case, a movement here would be expected. Meanwhile, we would be bullish and Bitcoin can still trade higher and higher before we break below the previous low. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.